Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caleb. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Kaylin, how you doing today? I see you on Facebook. You're a big 4-year-old today. I hope you have a big party and eat lots of ice cream and cake. And it's a very, very special day to you. All right, goodbye.